Hello, I am Motorist and I have here a British ERA insurance padlock, 5 lever, and I will try to pick this in answer to the challenge by fellow lockpicker PeatnRepeat. And the challenge is to pick this lock with both hands. That is, first tension with one hand, then tension with the other, and see if that works. So let's try. I'll start tensioning with my right hand, which means picking with the left. I have to find, yeah. Oh, I'll show you. It is locked. So can show it works well. This is the bitting of the key. So 5 levers. This is the tensioner I will use for this I made. And now I'll have to tension this with this hand. This is very awkward. And pick it with this hand. So I'm now picking with my left hand, which is my offhand, say. Let's see if I can get any feedback here. This lock is rated blue belt in the Lockpickers United belt ranking system. I don't get much feedback here. Should be. This is so awkward holding it like this. Yet. Yes, there was a little shift on the bolt. And there we go. Woo! I'm glad that's over. Okay, so let's take the tools out. Lock it back up. It's locked again. Now, come on. Now pick it the way I'm used to picking it. That was a nice shift on the bolt. And here we go again. Get the tools out. And it still works. So, ERA 975 insurance padlock. Picked a dual-handed. Thanks for the challenge, PeatnRepeat. I am a motorist and I wish you all a good day.